Hello everyone! In this video, we from Group 3 will explain about the content contained in black liquor and green liquor. Before that, allow us to introduce ourselves.
The craft pulping process uses wood chip as the main raw material and alkaline chemicals as a complement to remove lignin through an environmentally friendly process that can contribute to reducing greenhouse gases. Black liquor is what from the paper industry. The content of black liquor are water, inorganic cooking chemicals in the form of sodium salt, 50% lignin and other organic materials which are spared from the pulp during the cook and washing process. Organic components make up as much as 60% of the total solids of black liquor. Table 1 displays the elemental composition of black liquor.
Next material is about the elemental composition of black liquor from craft process. First, carbon. Carbon in black liquor has a function as fuel. Black liquor is a byproduct of the wood bleaching process in the pulp and paper industry. The carbon in black liquor provides energy when burned in a boiler to produce steam and electricity in the production process. Second, hydrogen. Hydrogen is a light gas, lighter than air, colorless and odorless. If burning doesn't show any flame and will produce very high heat. Third, oxygen. Oxygen is an active and life-sustaining component of the atmosphere. Oxygen is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Oxygen is very easily oxidized, and oxygen reacts strongly with combustible material, especially in its pure state, and releases heat in the reaction process. Many reactions require the presence of water or accelerated by catalysts. Fourth, sodium. Sodium serves to bind lignin so that black liquor is formed and lignin dissolution occurs by white liquor from wood fibers without damaging the wood fibers.
I will continue presentation from Angela. Number 5, potassium. The element potassium is a soft, silvery white alkali metal that oxides quickly in air. If it reacts violently with water, it will produce enough heat to ignite the hydrogen emitted in the reaction and burn with a powerful flame. Number 6, sulfur. Sulfur is a chemical element that has a pungent odor and is usually found in volcanoes where it can be processed into a white powder. And next, black liquor is made by heating a liquor that contains organic materials from wood, especially lignin, an inorganic chemical used for delignification. In the craft process, the addition of sodium hydroxide NaOH and sodium sulfate Na2S to wood chips result in the extraction of lignin and hemicellulose from the insoluble cellulose fraction, and then black liquors come out of the cooking process with a solid content of 15 until 18%.
Okay, I am Fatan. we'll continue Agnes' explanation of black liquor. The black liquor that comes out of the evaporation process has a solid content of about 70 to 83%. The inorganic part, about 45% of the black liquor dry mess, consists of sodium carbonate and sodium sulfate. Due to the presence of inorganic materials, the lower heating value per ton of black liquor solid is 12.3 megajoule divided kilogram. A pulp mill produces 1.7 to 1.8 tons of black liquor dry solid per ton of pulp and represents 250 to 500 megawatt of potential energy per mill produce 1,000 to 2,000 air-dried tons of pulp per day. In pulp and paper mills, black liquor is considered as a major energy source that can be used to produce synthetic gas, which results in various valuable energy products such as electricity, methyl ether, synthetic natural gas, methanol, hydrogen, or synthetic diesel, and has the potential to replace conventional black liquor recovery system with recovery boilers.
Okay, next team, Jessy Almiati will continue to explore about grain liquor. Grain liquor is solute of sodium carbonate, sodium sulfate, and other compounds from boiler recovery in the craft process. The grain color arises from the process of Chlorida Arien sulfida. Grain liquor is usually rather wetland CaO in the cold 2000 stand to regenerate the wet liquor. Brown liquor refers to chemical solution formed by dissolving the base recovery system make it water. The main components are sodium carbonate and sodium sulfate, and color some amounts of sodium hydrogen and sodium sulfate. Lamp cause be to recovery sodium hydrogen because it contains little Aryan hydrogen. Its color is green, so its color grain liquor.
Okay, I will continue Jessy's explanation about green liquor. Green liquor undergoes a settling process first to remove impurities or dregs content drain. The clarified green liquor is then reacted with quicklime or CaO. Under control condition to form sodium hydroxide and calcium carbonate, which is called recausing process. Okay, next is the element contained in green liquor are as follows. The first is Na2CO3. Na2CO3 is cooking solution in making pulp through the sulfate process. NaCO3 function to dissolve lignin during the pulping process, thus speeding up the process to separating and breaking up the fibers.
3. Sodium hydroxide is an inorganic chemical compound which is also known as caustic soda or sodium hydroxide. This compound is from the elements sodium, hydrogen, and oxygen. Sodium hydroxide is usually a white solid that is highly soluble in water, producing a strong alkali solution. Sodium hydroxide is also used in the paper making process after the wood fiber asparagus through pulping. Sodium hydroxide is used in subsequent processing and process, such as fiber bleaching and pH adjustment to produce quality paper. 2. Na2S is a chemical compound consisting of 2 sodium atoms and 1 sulfur atom. This compound is usually solid, has a brownish yellow color, and has a distinctive odor. Na2S is a compound that is soluble in water and has strong basic properties. Na2S is used mainly in the pulp and paper industry in the craft process. This increases the selectivity of the sulfate cooking process and increases the delignification rate.
And that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you!